In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Canva design as template. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any existing Canva design into a reusable template link that others can use to generate their own copies, without touching your original. Have your design open in the Canva editor. We're working from the top right corner of the screen. Look for the Share button. This is your hub for distributing a design in different ways. Click Share to open the sharing panel. This reveals several common options, but there are more choices hidden just below the surface, and that's where the template feature lives. Inside the Share panel, click See All to expand the full list of sharing options. This is important because Canva groups many link types here. Expanding the list helps you find the specific option that creates a template link instead of an edit or view link. From the expanded list, select Template Link. This is different from the standard link options. A template link tells Canva to prompt anyone who opens it to create their own copy first. That way, collaborators, clients, or students won't overwrite your master design. It's perfect for brand kits, recurring social posts, lesson plans, or any document you want people to customize while keeping your original intact. Next, choose Create Template Link. Canva generates a special URL tied to your current design. This step is essentially telling Canva, treat this design as a template. Nothing about your original changes visually, but the shared behavior of the link is now template-based. If you're using a team account, your brand styles stay preserved in the template, so people start from the right fonts, colors, and layout every time. When the link is ready, click Copy. The link is now on your clipboard and ready to share anywhere, in an email, a chat, a project management card, or a course platform. Anyone who opens it will see a Use Template or similar prompt, which creates a fresh copy in their own Canva account. Your original remains untouched. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Double-check that your design's elements are organized before creating the link, so every new copy feels polished from the start. Consider locking key layers in the original if you want to guide edits. And remember, template links are ideal when you want consistency across many versions while protecting your source file. That's it. You've created a template link from your Canva design and copied it for easy sharing.